your phone, your doctor's office, your TV remote, your bank. By 2027, every single one of them will work differently. And if you're not aware of what's coming, you'll be the last to adapt. If you've ever felt like technology moves too fast and nobody explains it clearly, this video is for you. Stay until the end, because Trend 7 is the one most people completely overlook, and it might be the one that affects your daily life the most. Hit subscribe right now. We break down AI and tech every week in plain English. No jargon, no fluff. Let's go. 1. AI agents. The digital employee you never hired. Right now, AI answers questions. By 2027, AI will do your work. Not just write an email, but plan your entire week, book your appointments, research your options, and follow through on tasks while you sleep. Microsoft is already building this into Windows and Office. Google has it inside Gmail and Google Workspace. They're called AI agents, software that doesn't wait to be asked. It acts. Here's a real example happening right now. A small business owner tells an AI agent, "I need 10 new customers this month." The agent writes the ads, posts them, tracks results, adjusts the budget, and reports back, without a single employee involved. For people approaching or in retirement, this means something very specific. The part-time work, the side income, the small business you run from home. AI agents will either make that 10 times easier or make you invisible if your competitors use them and you don't. Nobody is warning you about the choice you'll have to make. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a tech expert to use this. You just need to know it exists. 2. Mixed reality. When your wall becomes a screen. Flat screens are ending. Apple Vision Pro already lets users place virtual monitors anywhere in their home, floating in midair, on any wall, any size. No TV, no desk clutter, just space. By 2027, the next generation of these headsets will be lighter, cheaper, and built for everyday use, not just developers. Think about what that means practically. Video calls with your grandchildren where they appear life-size in your living room. A doctor's appointment where your physician walks you through your scan in 3D, pointing at exactly what's concerning. A cooking tutorial where the recipe floats right above your counter as you cook. This isn't science fiction. These exact use cases are already in pilot programs at hospitals and universities across the US and UK. But here's what nobody is talking about. The people who benefit most from this technology aren't teenagers. They're adults who struggle with small screens, poor vision, and cluttered interfaces. Spatial computing was practically designed for the 60-plus experience, and almost no one is saying that out loud. 3. AI healthcare. Your doctor is getting a very powerful assistant. In 2023, Google's AI model detected breast cancer in mammograms with greater accuracy than radiologists, in a real clinical study, not a lab test. By 2027, that kind of AI will be standard equipment in hospitals, not experimental. AI is already reading X-rays, flagging early signs of Alzheimer's, and predicting heart attack risk years in advance. Using data from routine checkups most people already have. Drug discovery is changing too. What used to take 10 years to develop is being compressed into 2 or 3, because AI can simulate how drugs interact with proteins before a single trial begins. DeepMind's AlphaFold already mapped over 200 million protein structures, a task that would have taken human scientists centuries. For a 60-plus audience, this is the most personal trend on this list. Earlier detection, more targeted treatment, less time spent on the wrong medication. The healthcare system isn't getting replaced. It's getting upgraded around you, whether you notice or not. Stop for a second and think. When was your last full checkup? Because the tools your doctor will have in 2 years make today's standard of care look basic. 4. Humanoid robots. Not science fiction, not far away. Amazon is already using humanoid robots in its warehouses. Tesla's Optimus robot folded laundry last year on camera. Poorly, but it did it. Boston Dynamics robots are doing security patrols at real facilities right now. By 2027, robots won't be curiosities. They'll be co-workers, and in some cases, caregivers. The elder care industry in the US is facing a staffing crisis. There aren't enough workers to meet demand. Robots are being designed specifically to assist with mobility, medication reminders, and companionship monitoring in care homes. Japan is already deploying them. This isn't about replacing human warmth. It's about filling a gap that the workforce simply cannot fill on its own. And for families with aging parents, that gap is already here. 5. Quantum computing. The silent revolution. Behind the scenes. You won't use a quantum computer. But quantum computers will affect everything you use. IBM and Google are building systems that can solve certain problems millions of times faster than today's best machines. By 2027, practical quantum advantages will appear in drug development, financial modeling, and cybersecurity. Here's why that last one matters to you directly. Today's encryption, the technology that protects your bank account and medical records, is designed for classical computers. Quantum computers can break it. Governments already know this. The U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology published new quantum-resistant encryption standards in 2024. Because they're preparing now. You should know that preparation is happening, and that the institutions you trust are in a race to stay ahead of it. 6. Digital identity. Who proves you are you? Every major data breach, Equifax, Yahoo, Change Healthcare, happened because your personal information was stored in one central place. A vault that got cracked. By 2027, decentralized digital identity flips that model. Your credentials, your age, your qualifications, your medical history live with you, encrypted, on a device you control. You share only what's necessary, with nobody storing the rest. The UK's digital ID program is already in rollout. The EU passed its digital identity framework in 2024. The US is piloting state-level digital driver's licenses in over a dozen states right now. For anyone who's ever had their identity stolen, their credit frozen, or their Medicare account flagged for fraud, this technology is being built specifically to stop that from happening again. It won't be optional for long. 7. Smart cities. The invisible upgrade around you. This is the one most people miss entirely, because it's already happening and nobody announces it. Columbus, Ohio won a federal smart city grant and used AI to reduce traffic accident rates at dangerous intersections by adjusting signal timing in real time. Kansas City installed smart sensors across its downtown and cut emergency response times measurably. London uses AI-driven cameras to manage congestion pricing dynamically. By 2027, the city around you will be making thousands of small decisions every minute. Routing traffic away from accidents, predicting where potholes will form before they do, flagging unusual activity near public spaces. You won't see the system, you'll just notice that things work slightly better, slightly faster, slightly safer. And behind all of it, data, sensors, and AI running quietly in the background. Let's bring it all together. AI agents are replacing manual tasks for businesses and individuals. Mixed reality is replacing flat screens in your home, your doctor's office, your workplace. AI healthcare is replacing guesswork with earlier, more accurate, more personal medicine. Humanoid robots are replacing the labor shortage in warehouses, care homes, and public spaces. Quantum computing is replacing the security model your data depends on, whether you know it or not. Digital identity is replacing the centralized databases that get hacked. And smart cities are replacing reactive infrastructure with systems that adapt before problems happen. Every single one of these is already in motion. Not coming, arriving. If this gave you a clearer picture of where things are heading, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe so you don't miss what we cover next. And here's the question I want you to answer in the comments. Be honest. Which one of these 7 changes worries you most? And which one actually excites you?